Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall health. For those looking to increase their protein intake, whether for muscle building, weight loss, or general health, it's important to know which foods are rich in protein. This article will explore a variety of protein-rich foods from different categories, including animal-based, plant-based, and dairy products. Animal-based protein sources: meat. Lean meats, such as chicken breast and turkey, are excellent sources of protein. A 3-ounce serving of chicken breast contains about 26 grams of protein. Beef is also a great option, with cuts like sirloin and lean ground beef providing around 22 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. Fish and seafood. Fish like salmon and tuna are not only high in protein but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids. A 3-ounce serving of salmon offers approximately 22 grams of protein. Shellfish, such as shrimp and crab, are also protein-dense, with shrimp containing about 20 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and nutrient-rich food, offering about 6 grams of protein each. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. Plant-based protein sources: legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of plant-based protein. For instance, cooked lentils provide about 18 grams of protein per cup, while black beans offer around 15 grams per cup. Nuts and seeds. Nuts such as almonds and peanuts are not only high in protein but also healthy fats. A 1-ounce serving of almonds contains about 6 grams of protein, while peanuts offer roughly 7 grams. Seeds like chia seeds and hemp seeds are also protein-rich. For example, 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds contain around 10 grams of protein. Tofu and tempeh. Tofu is a popular soy product and a fantastic source of protein for vegetarians and vegans. A 3.5-ounce serving of firm tofu provides approximately 15 grams of protein. Tempeh, another soy product, is even richer in protein, offering about 31 grams per 3.5-ounce serving. Dairy products. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt stands out as a high-protein dairy option. A typical 7-ounce serving contains around 20 grams of protein, making it a great snack or breakfast choice. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is another dairy product that is high in protein. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese can provide about 27 grams of protein. Cheese. Many cheeses are rich in protein, with Parmesan cheese offering about 10 grams of protein per ounce. Conclusion: incorporating a variety of protein-rich foods into your diet can help meet your nutritional needs and support your health goals. From animal-based sources like lean meats and fish to plant-based options like legumes and nuts, there are plenty of choices available. Additionally, dairy products can provide a significant protein boost. By educating yourself on these foods, you can create balanced meals that support your lifestyle and health. Whether you're a meat eater, vegetarian, or vegan, there are ample opportunities to enjoy high-protein foods.